Okay, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel. And now I will explain about manner of articulation that voice sound and voiceless sound. Here, if voiceless, if the vocal cords are apart during airflow, the air flows freely through the glottis and supraglottal cavities. It's the part of the vocal tract above the glottis. It's like that. And the sounds of voiceless, such as and for example, as like sip, sit, sick, and etc. If the voice sound, the vocal cords are together, the airstream force its way through and causes them to vibrate. Such sounds are p, t, k, and z. For example, in word bed, jet, cat, and des. If you put a finger in each ear and say voice z, you can feel the vibration of the vocal cord z, z. If you now say voiceless s, you will not feel the vibration, although you might hear in hissing sounds in your mouth. Z, s, z. When you whisper, you are making all the speech sound voiceless. The voice sound or voiceless distinction is very important in English. These phonetic features or property distinguish the word in word pairs. In the word pairs, like the following: rope and rope. Rope and robe. It's like fat and fat. Rake and rake. Red and red. It's like that. The first word of each pair ends with a voiceless sound and the second word with a voice sound. Like the first word is rope. In the ends word is with voiceless. But if rope, there is a voice sound in the end word. Another aspect of the sound in each word pair are identical. The position of the lips and tongue is the same. The voice or voiceless distinction also occurs in the following pairs, where the first word begins with a voiceless sound and the second with a voice sound, as like fine and vine, seal or zeal, choke and joke. So in the first word we use voiceless sound, fine and vine. If vine, there is a vibration in our mouth, it is voice sound. Okay, I think enough from me. Last I say, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you later.